Hey folks, quick review on the Andromeda Comet gloves. These are fully vegan. It's a vegan manufacturer. These are supposed to be waterproof. I haven't had a chance to try them out in proper rain yet, but I've been through a shower, I've been fine. I don't think they look as good, obviously, as the Meteor gloves here, especially under the cuff of they're under the cuff of the jacket, and you can't really see the Andromeda branding, and they look a bit anonymous, so they could do with some more branding. Comfort wise, the top part of the inside has got the same lovely liner as in the Comet, Meteors, sorry, but the bottom half doesn't, so it doesn't feel as comfortable as the Meteors. Size wise, these are a size XL, just like my Meteors, but these feel a bit not too big, so I'd probably go down a size on these ones. Protection wise, there's not as much as on the Meteors either. You got the Knuckle Protectors, but there's no scaphoid protection. But yeah, look at that, I feel solid enough, and so they are reasonably comfortable. We just I wish they had that liner at the bottom as well, just to make them nice and plush, just like the Meteor. That's it really. So I was lucky enough to get these included when I bought the new jacket, which I'm going to review in the future. They're still a nice pair of gloves, but I do prefer the Meteors, as you can probably gather. Cheers folks, and I'll speak to you next time.